friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of PixelFlow. You will click on settings and you will click here. In this page, you click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about PixelFlow and you will click. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then here we click on clear cache. Then we'll turn off your Wi-Fi and we'll turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching. Enjoy.